Hey everyone, how's it going? This is Adrian with another release for Avo. Today we're releasing 2.46 and 3.1, the first iteration, the first release on the third iteration of Avo. So let's get into it. First, we have a cool little addition to Avo 2 and Avo 3. Allow assigning stimulus controllers to actions. This was a nice contribution by Brichu from this guy. Thank you so much, man. We definitely enjoy and appreciate all your cool contributions. So now you can assign custom stimulus controllers inside actions in a similar fashion how you would do it in a resource. So we can assign multiple stimulus controllers, and you can attach different things to and different behaviors to those fields and other things inside that action. So it's really cool to have it. We have a cool bug fix: create new record from belongs to association. So we introduced this cool new feature called so you could create something for belongs to, but it was a little bit broken if you wanted to create a parent record, and this link would be a little bit broken. Now it's fixed, so you can use it. And just a few minor things on the maintenance side. In Avo 3, we have the same thing: assign stimulus controllers to actions. Disable belongs to creation from association, so now you can remove this link if you need to. Custom logger. So if you want to, by default we log into, I think, the same thing, maybe a different Avo logger, but if you want to do that, to use your own logger, you can just configure it inside the initializer. So now you can create a new logger, log it to somewhere else, different service, whatever you want, you can just do it, and we will use this logger instead of our own. Allow dynamic filter by time and date time field. So same thing inside these dynamic filters. If you have any date time filters, that the time inputs wouldn't show up, but now they do, so you can use them. Inform decisions when displaying presence options on dynamic filters. Same thing. So whenever you had a Boolean field, this field would show true, false, present, or blank. Even if so, present and blank would show up even if the field was not nullable. So if the field is not nullable, it cannot be null. So these two options, they don't make sense. So basically, these will properly reflect what you have in the database. Bug fixes: actions, hidden fields, value not being passed. So if you had an action with some field and you had a hidden field, that field wouldn't be populated with the right value. So now that is fixed. What else? Firefox record selection persists on reload. So I think we have this somewhere. Let me check it out. Yes, Firefox. Okay, so this was a freaking weird one. I think you can check out this issue if you're interested. I know, John, you're gonna love this. So basically, what would happen is whenever you would run an action, if you had some selection, sometimes it would work, sometimes it wouldn't work. The records would still be selected. So now that is fixed. And also, we recently found out that Firefox users do not see these lines here, these separators between the rows, and now you will. So sorry about that, but now they are fixed. Templates. So we had some templates that weren't indented properly, and whenever you would generate something, Rails generate our resource. Now they are, so it's all good. Yeah, that's about it with the updates for today. We are still in this, we just launched Avo 3 period, so we are fixing some more bugs, some more edge cases. We're talking with some folks, and we are going to take it a little bit more slowly because the holidays are coming, but we'll ramp it up in January. Yeah, we've been having a few calls with a few people regarding what should we build next, what kind of apps are they building where they are encountering issues, and how we can both fix them and improve Avo. So if you have something, if you're building something and you're a little bit stuck, or would love to have some other feature that is not maybe there, just get in touch with us on our Discord server or on GitHub issues, and we would love to help out and see how we can both fix this together. Otherwise, Short Ruby, I know I haven't mentioned it for a while. They have a new homepage. Check it out. It's really cool. And but the new newsletter is out. It's filled with cool little additions. Just check it out. There are a lot of updates from conferences, a lot of new products launched. So it's just a great resource to have. Next, Super Rails has some cool new videos, including one where Yaro upgrades his app from Ava 2 to Ava 3, and also this new Docraptor API where you can change HTMLs to PDFs and whatever. He also has a cool conversation on Twitter if you want to check it out. It's a cool thread where people came up with more alternatives to that as well. So make sure you check them out. Yeah, so next we will take some time to fix some of the edge cases from Ava 2 and Ava 3. And then we are experimenting a little bit with theming and dark mode, and making the appearance a little bit better. But we're also pushing forward with all kinds of bugs and other things that will help you get unstuck. So thank you so much for being awesome. We'll probably have another release this month, probably the last one for the year. But talk to you on the channels. Thank you for being awesome. See ya.